Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.